Hi, I'm Lana Burnley, and in this video I want to talk about how to make the process of seeing houses very simple and very easy for you. There are a couple of things to remember. First of all, when you're going to look at houses to buy, remember to wear slip-on, slip-off shoes. Very easy to get on, to get off shoes because you're going to be in an enclosed entryway and you're going to be doing this 3 or 4 or 5 times during the day. And we don't want to spend our time putting on outdoor boots or outdoor shoes when we only have a very limited time in each house, and you all get crowded around in a small area, and especially in the winter you end up standing on wet snow or wet floors with a bit of grit. It's not pleasant at all. So easy slip on, slip off shoes. Also, something to remember too is we don't want to see more than 3 or 4 houses at one time. If we have the opportunity, leave it to 3 or 4 houses, because when you get into 5 or 6 houses, you get too tired and you're unable to process the differences between all the houses, as well as you're driving from house to house and you forget the houses start to mesh into each other. So maximum of 4 houses at one time, 3 is even better. So the next thing to remember is to bring a little snack in the car, because that's going to refresh you and rejuvenate you for the next house, because you're going to be utilizing a lot of energy, you don't realize this, to process what's in the house, how different the house is from the previous house, as well as driving from house to house and taking off your boots, taking off your shoes, and asking questions while you're doing this. It gets very tiring. So if you have a little snack, especially a protein bar or something in between houses, you're going to feel a lot better. Now that brings up another issue about using the facilities or the washroom where Mother Nature calls. We're not allowed to use the facilities in the houses that we go see. Those are off limits. They are not for us to use. If you have Mother Nature crying out loud when you're showing houses, let your agent know, let me know, and we will make a stop in between houses, perhaps at a restaurant, perhaps at a fast food place, or even at a gas station, so that we can relieve Mother Nature and make her happy, and it will allow you to concentrate better on the next house. So finally, as much as we want the kids to select their own bedroom when we're looking at houses, please leave the children at home, leave them with grandma and grandpa, or leave them with a babysitter, or even let's look at houses while they're in school, because the kids will get a little out of hand sometimes. They get a little bored, and we need to concentrate at the job at hand, at looking at the best house for your family. So please, tips in summary, wear easy on, easy off shoes or boots. Bring a little snack in the car. No more than 4 houses at a time. We're not allowed to use the bathroom facilities in the houses we're looking at. And please leave the children at home so that we can concentrate on the job at hand. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please click subscribe below, and watch for more videos coming up on how to make your buying or selling process much easier. Bye for now.